Okay, hello everybody again. So far what I did was I pulled the whole thing apart like you saw, and there's this grommet here that goes into the gas tank that has the two fuel lines going to it, and then inside the tank here there's a fuel line with the fuel filter, and this is it right here. It just like this is all apart, all crumbly, and it broke. As a matter of fact, when I was taking it apart, there's a piece that broke off here also. And what there is on the other side, on the inside here, there's a connector. So I was able to cut a piece of brand new fuel line here, and I connected it in there. And then well, first what I did was I connected it to the grommet before I stuck the grommet back in, and I put the fuel filter back on it, stuck it down in the tank, and then I just put this grommet down inside, and now I'm ready to put the whole thing back together again. So I put the carburetor and the gas tank on as one assembly here, and what you want to do is I had to take this throttle linkage off here, as you can see here. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put your linkage back on before you go ahead and put your air cleaner housing assembly on. Okay, so first I bolted the gas tank back in. Then I put this side cover back on. You have to have this on full choke to get the cover over this choke lever here. And then what I did was I put the two nuts back on. They're 5/16 socket you need for that. Yeah, you can kind of see in there. There's two. There's one here, and then one over here. Tightened them down real good, and then like I said, I put the linkage back on, which is pretty easy to do here, and then you place this on the notch here, and then make sure your throttle works, which it does. And then what we're going to do is we're going to place our cover back on here, and then we're going to put our starter assembly on. We're going to put a little gas in it and see how it does. Okay, so I took my chances here and I put the whole thing together. I put the air filter housing and everything, and the air filter back in it. I put some gas in it. 2-stroke mix, of course. So what we're going to do is we'll give it a couple of primes. I'm going to try to start it up on Joe. We'll see if she goes. Now we can take the choke off. I always like to let the two-strokes warm up a little bit before I give it a lot of problems. I do have it all yet. throttle off switch isn't working. It's not going off. I have to pull the side cover back off and see what's going on with that. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching.